like your look.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be performing another thrift flip. Again, we have our lovely assistants, Kitty and Kitty. And the look that we're going to be recreating today is one that was off of the 1993 winter Versace runway. It was worn by supermodel Claudia Schiffer. The look is a ice blue mini dress with a super short hemline and long gorgeous sleeves. I think this dress was probably made out of that iconic Versace chainmail material, but today we're going to use two different dresses that emulate a similar effect to that material. So first I'm going to flip it inside out and pin it in the various locations. Lay down the dress inside out, and I'm going to pin 1 inch away from the current seam line on each of the side hems. So we're just going to take in those two side seam lines 1 inch. There's a 1 inch mark on every sewing machine, so if you keep the edge of the fabric even with that, it'll take it in 1 inch. Now we have our seam taken in. Now I'm trying it back on one more time to see if I like the fit. I think it's fitting really good. So now I'm going to cut off the excess fabric and press down these edges so they lay flatter. Now we're going to start on our next project, turning this oversized sheer blouse into a dress. Flip back this collar and make a crew neckline. We're going to cut open these sleeves and make them tight around the arm. So now we have our neckline and we're going to cut off this excess fabric and cut the sleeve. Then mark and sew a tighter sleeve. So we have our sleeves and top done. Now we are going to cut up the sides and take them in. Again, mark and then sew in each side of the dress. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed those videos, and please follow my Depop to see looks like these. Bye, thanks. Bye, thanks so much.